Cylinder number 8. Told him about that. I got a water pump coming. Doing the head gaskets, right? Might as well. Thermostat is down here. We got one of those coming too. But yeah, let's go. Look at that. That's like a work of art. Huh. Wow. Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are back on the Land Rover. Hold on, let me reveal it. Alright. Got the heads in, manifolds in, everything cleaned up. So the next step will be I am going to put some oil in it. Just run a wire to the trigger there. Put my battery in here, and we're just going to crank and try to get some oil pressure. But it's a lot of cleaning, man. Holy moly. Now we are putting the back brackets here, and I just noticed this one here is stripped, and I noticed that this bracket here, I just rip things apart so fast I can't like remember sometimes. I don't know if you guys see it there. It doesn't line up. I am going to just no lights today. Just elongate here. You know, just gonna grind this a little bit and try to repair the treads there. Going to be fun, so stick around here. Everybody loves the Land Rover. Anyway, they had some issues getting valve seals for it, so the head was out for a while, and he said that he had to take it down a lot. I cleaned the block. I put my flat edge. I'm not gonna take it out of there now, but it seemed all right. We got new bolts, the inner ones, and a new stud here. Yeah, fun. Alright, stupid thing here. How's that fit now? Oh, I like that better. Alright. Gonna try a longer boat first. See how that goes. I think that might be too long. Yeah, okay. That's too long. Okay. All right. Go. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. So filling the engine up with 1030. We got the filter in there. Oh, it's been about 3 months or so. So I did an in-cylinder pressure test and it passed. I'm happy there. Don't know. Alright. Cool. Oh, that feels good. Hearing all the right noises. That's cool. Oh, that's really tough. I really like this water purple stuff. It stays here longer, and I'm just not sure, when I'll go back to this one. It seems to stick better than all the other ones I used. But just this stuff right here. I always make sure the corners, the middle here is very, very even the threads. Sometimes, I just use a little Q-tip here. And this is What are you guys doing? The motor?
Yeah, there's a Pontiac Aztec that needs a motor that we're doing the rest of I guess.
That's not everything's gonna go smooth for that one.
It's a California car, so.
Yeah.
So it was flooded when the hurricane hit.
Yeah.
What has been like 10 hurricanes in the last 5 years?
Where's the bracket? Where's that bracket? Oh, it's right there. Oh yeah.
Somewhere back.
Yeah, there we go. The bracket on, the grounds. Cool. I'm thinking we are going to have another part, so it'll be maybe a 3 or 4 part series. Because after I'm done, I do feel like I need to drive it for a longer period of time. like that. Okay. Whoa, whoa. Don't fit in here good anymore. I don't like that. Seems like really tall here. Do not like that, man. What's going on here? Doesn't fit the car. It's awesome. That fits better here. I thought they were the same, but okay, it fits better there. Maybe. Okay. That doesn't fit good. Put some in here. In there.
Hey, do you have a moment? Can you scan this?
All fucking day, dude.
Okay. You mind scanning this Infinity? Because I pulled the wheels. Fronts are about 4 mils, but I have heat spots in the rears, and the rears have more, but I have a frozen pin. There's no reason the brake light should be coming on. Yep.
Are you familiar yet?
Yeah, right. I'm gonna check it, but why would the I think it's because the VCS light's coming on. That'll trip the brake light too.
But the brake fluid will trip the VSC, Dave. Oh? What do you mean?
Brake fluid is full. And the light didn't come on until I started actually moving. I got half a building. So
Let's snug this up in here. Give it a snuggle. Alright. Oh man. We'll tighten this once the intake is in here. Okay, just do it by hand now. I cleaned it a little bit. Doing the injector O-rings too. Just gonna iron out everything. You can understand. So Land Rover does tell you to put some, I forget the stuff. It's like a aviation RTV, I believe. Don't hold me on that. It's been so long. Man, these two talk all day. Crazy. All day. Oh, whoa, that was too much. Okay, that's gonna be the toughest part now. Just putting this BOS here. Okay. Drop it right down in the center. Cool. I think that's it. Alright, so on this 2 front bolts and the 2 back ones on both sides, I use this stuff on the treads. Alright. Like that. Man, this is gonna suck. I'll tell you this much. Okay, let's give it a wiggle. Alright, it's going in. I'll do the corners. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys, and I do this with all the bolts. Alright, just find a cardboard box. Okay. Okay. I'll be back when I'll have everything ready. Alright, this is our tightening sequence here. Alright, it's 28 foot-pounds. Actually, Newton meters, 38 Newton meters. So I'm just gonna pull them all down by hand first. Four. Five. So on the other side here. 6. 7. 8. No, there's no gasket here. I'm not sure if I'll make one. I'll have to. We'll see. 10. Good. Okay. Dozy. Checar todos eles, né? Ok. Ai, que bom demais. Bom. I don't know what happened here, but we fixed it. I need to check. This right here looks suspicious too. We're almost done. Sorry, it's been so crazy. I haven't been able to, it's so noisy and crazy. I haven't been able to finish the video, but it's got the radiator and the fan. And we should be good. Next clip will be see if it should run. Finally running. 3 months. Still idle. I gotta set my timing, but I just want to run it, make sure it won't overheat anymore. You know how that goes, right? But got it running here for about half an hour now. It's nice and hot. So yeah, I think on my I didn't realize she's got 140,000, not 40,000. But yeah. Whoop whoop, would survive. Fixed a lot of crap in it, but water pump, that's pretty good. We're happy. Alright guys, so I not sure if I'll be able to show you guys, but I had to retard the time to get this to smooth, the idle to smooth out a little bit. I'm not sure what was going on there. Someone has been tinkering with it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. It's right here, my mark, and I was lined up here, so we got quite a retardation there, if I can say that. But now I am looking into the wire location here on the cap. I'm not sure if because I reached my maximum limit here. What's up, Dave?
The green.
Huh? Right? Yeah.
No, I feel bad.
And I imagine the old owner was tinkering with the set screw here, because this has, you can see the punch mark there. You have a little cover here, so trying to figure this out. Plus, and he wanted me to put a throttle position sensor in here, which it is like a really high failure item, so I might have to readjust this, you know, because I cleaned the throttle, I cleaned the entire intake here, and there was a blockage. This is the idle air control. He had a cap on the end of the idle air control here, and it had the pipe over. It was a mother to get this pipe out of here, but I got a suspicion that either we might be missing control on the idle air valve, or this is just junk, so I have to do that now. But the car runs smooth. Again, you know, I have to set the timing again, because I really think this is or I just have a timing issue with the car, you know, which I mean, he overheated, so. But I don't know. I have to look it up on no data, but I thought this is number one, and I think number one is over here now. I mean, I only done a handful of 3.5, so, but I have very low vacuum. It's steady, but it's low. So, and before we couldn't even start the goddamn thing. So, yeah, the fight is real, and you know, I think I showed that if we cleaned the water pump real good. I never got into the timing. You know, I didn't went that far in, but. And also I smoke test the intake, and we got no leaks here, so the fight continues. And the other thing I must do now is I have to check, but I'm not sure about that here, see it? So I need to inspect that, because I thought I was doing kind of the scanner dinner special here, and I thought I felt something different on the engine, so we might be dealing with, I'm pretty sure these went bad, so